Hello everyone, it's Aisha Ochuwa again, and I welcome you to this episode where we'll be talking about advertisements. We all know what advertisement entails. It means making awareness, creating awareness, trying to reach a new audience. This is just an informal way of describing advertisement. Be your own walking billboard. I say this all the time. Vendors should be their own walking billboard. This means targeting an audience based on their lifestyle, their values, their interests, and their personality. You should review your marketing strategies from time to time, and as trends change, make sure you adjust and follow the new trends. The marketing strategies that were applicable 2 years ago have changed a lot now. The things that appealed to people 2 years ago no longer appeal to them now, and there are new things that they now like. What is that thing that sets you apart from your competitors? What is that thing you could leverage on? What is that thing that will attract your customers to you? That thing you are doing right that your competitors are not doing. Identify it. That's your unique selling point, and that is what you use to stand out from the crowd in the marketplace.